Katherine. How are
Hi,
you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. It's nice to meet you in person.
Thanks, you too.
So we were impressed with you, Katherine. You competed, obviously, in the Piano Marble YouTube competition, and you entered several divisions, and you won in two of them, for the high school and for the composition part of the competition. And we were so amazed that you won in two divisions. That's really hard. It's hard to win in one division because we have so many entries, but you won in two. How did that feel?
It felt really good. I was very pleased when I saw the first result from the high school competition, and then after that, when I saw the composition results, I was just even more overjoyed.
Yeah, I can imagine. That's really awesome. How long have you been playing the piano?
Well, right now I'm 16 and I started in second grade, so roughly 8 years. I would say I practiced relatively consistently, but at the same time in moderation. I don't spend 6 hours practicing a day or anything insane like that. But I do try to get in as much as I can.
So you enjoy piano.
Yeah.
Is that your main hobby, would you call it? Or do you have other hobbies and things you like to do?
Well, I have three major hobbies. Piano obviously is one of them, and then I also play violin and I do figure skating as well.
Wow. All of those take a lot of time.
Definitely, yeah.
As far as your teacher, then what is their teaching style mostly for you?
Well, it's definitely classically oriented. I study music from a lot of different periods as well within what would be considered classical music. I've played Baroque before, but also, as was the piece I entered in the competition, I played some more contemporary music. So a lot of variation, but generally all in what would be considered classical music.
Well, we were impressed with your composition. It was really, really good. How long have you been composing?
Composing has definitely been more on and off for me. It hasn't been a consistent effort like piano that I've done for the majority of my life. Not at all. This really stemmed from an improvisation I was doing for Guild, for my National Guild audition. One of the categories is improvisation. And so I was given a short prompt of just a few notes, just the left hand, the dun, dun, dun. And then based on that, I started improvising and kind of generated this piece. And then after that, I developed it. And that's really where this idea came from.
Okay, that's neat. Well, your video was also very creative. How did you think to use the effects, and tell everybody what you did for that video?
So basically I stitched together videos of myself playing the piece and then interweaved them with some stock footage of nature, and then I made it all black and white, and I tried to make it very wintry and kind of almost desolate to match the feeling of the piece. But yeah, I did that using a program called iMovie. It's very simple. You can get it on iPhone. And the idea mainly, I just derived it from the piece and what I myself envisioned. And I was just trying to communicate the music visually.
Yeah, it was beautiful, very artistic, very fun to watch.
Thanks.
What do you call that piece, so everybody knows?
It's titled Faraway Places.
Right. And if they go I'll actually link it in the description of this video, so people can go check out both of the videos that you won your divisions with, so people can go and watch them. Do you feel like music, especially piano and violin, do you think they help you with your maybe focus in school and your ability to do well in school?
Definitely. I would say practicing has instilled a lot of helpful study habits in me that I can apply academically. It has also improved my ability to focus, and I feel like in a way my sensitivity and attention to detail definitely has stemmed from my playing music.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing that. Also, I imagine your figure skating helps you a lot as well. We know that physical exercise definitely helps to keep the mind active and have a very well-balanced routine in life, it sounds like.
Thank you.
Well, enjoy your prizes from the competition. We were really excited, have never given 2 prizes to one person for this competition before, so that was really exciting. And we look forward to next year. We hope that you'll participate. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and for your participation, and good luck in your future. It's definitely a bright future.
Thank you.
Thank you, Katherine. We'll talk to you later.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.